about? When was the last time we performed in Tulsa? Single Jam, right? Before that, we performed at this water park. Oh, Taylor moved that water park. That's his first time. Who was a fan since day one and went to the water park? Don't lie. Who's a fan? So, we want to do one song for you. It's called Never Say Never. Let's go. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Alright, so Tulsa, the only person, or the first person. Anybody have any questions before I get out of here? And it can't be like, will I marry you or something, because I'm too young to get married. Yes? Let's do an actual question like, what's my favorite animal or something like that. Or like my favorite color. Not like, yeah. Do I have a girlfriend? No. Yes. My favorite city? I like Tokyo. Yes. No. Yes. Maybe late. I think I signed a bunch of autographs for everybody out here, so. Yes.
What's your favorite color?
Pardon?
What's your favorite color?
I'm asking her. What's your what?
What's your favorite color?
Favorite color is purple. Yes. Why am I so hot? Well, I guess my mom and my dad one night. No, I don't know. Thank you. Yes. Sure. Yes, what is... Do you have a question? No, you don't have a question?
Are you excited about tonight?
Yes, I'm very excited. It's gonna be an awesome show.
What did you have for
Eaten lunch yet, actually. I woke up like 20 minutes ago. Yes? Yeah. My phone number? It's 555-5555. Area code 555, extension 555. Subway? I think I already have food backstage. Yes.
now? Can I have a hug?
Yes. You guys are not very good at asking questions, are you? Hello?
Where do you get all your awesome shoes?
Well, I get some shoes from Journeys. There's a place in LA I get my shoes. Sporty LA. Yes. Yeah. Do I like twins? Yeah. Hello? I don't really know who's in it still. I haven't been watching TV. Yes.